The mindset that the investigative journalists of the 21st century must have is towards the technology and towards the collaboration and towards the combination of skills, among them data analysis, data validation and search capacity.
So after crossing the river, they get wet and they were low temperatures, like 1/3 already died after crossing. So today I present a brief introduction to data visualization. We went through different topics such as why we visualize, about visual perception, about how we are constantly seeking for patterns, but then we move towards a topic more related to ethics, about why to visualize, finalizing today's lesson with some considerations related to designing data visualization for society.
Spatial data refers to the data in which, in addition to the value of the variable that we observe, we have the location where these observations were taken from. So this is particularly important because, for example, we could relate the location of the forest fires to the type of land use, or we could use survey data from samples from the soil.